Hello and welcome to my channel, and today is going to be another eyebrow product comparison. So I'm going to be testing these two products, a very high end, a very low end, Benefit, Poundland. So the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder video, I'll tag on to the end of this one. I did film that a couple of months ago actually, so I've got a completely different outfit on and it's a little while ago. But today I'm going to be looking at this. This is Poundland's eyebrow kit. So it's called All About the Brow Eyebrow Kit Makeup Gallery. And I have actually used it already just to give it a test run. So in here you get the 4 different shades. You've got the 2 main brownie shades for the brows, a little bit darker if you wanted to deepen it a bit, and then you've got sort of a pale shade to carve out a little bit more. I don't think this comes in colour shades, I think it's just one. So it says to create the perfect brow using one or a blend of the eyebrow powder shades, finish with a sweep of the highlighter. So what I'm going to do to make this fair, I'm going to use the little applicator out of the Benefit one, just so we can compare in that way, because let's see if I can get into it. Because I think if I start using a separate brush, it's not really fair. So I've just got a little mirror here. So excuse me while I go off to the side while I do my brows. Right, let's get rid of the little fringe. So as you can see, my eyebrows are a little on the sparse side. They do actually need dyeing at the moment, but very sparse. In fact, I'm not sure if this is going to be a fair trial because they've got a little bit, they're a bit darker on the other video. Anyway, so I'm going to start off with this colour in the corner, the lighter one. Let's see how we go. So this is quite dark for me. I would normally use sort of a blonder shade, but I think as long as I don't go too heavy-handed to start with, I'm going to be okay. So that's given me quite a decent colour right from the start. That's number 1. I can build on that a little bit more. So I would say this kit might be a smidge too dark for me, because I'm definitely not going to use the other colours. But I think because it's only available in one shade at the moment, obviously they're having to do, you know, include shades for everybody. One kit fits all sort of thing. But it's very pigmented, I'll give it that. I'd say it's a lot more pigmented than the Benefit one actually. So I just need to make sure I get a decent shape. Right, I'm just going to blend that in a bit using a spoolie just to see how we're going. So I'm going to go a bit darker, a little bit more. Yeah, what am I thinking to that? If you're after a darker eyebrow, that will be a lot better. But because with me being fair, there's only that one shade that I can use. So it's fine to have in my makeup kit, but I probably won't be using that on a daily basis. But for some people, it's definitely worth a try. Unbelievable. So I've just finished it off with some of this. This is the Benefit Brow Setter, but I'll speak about that on the other video. So for £1, I think that's absolutely fine. Definitely worth a go. So today's eyebrow trial is going to be a Benefit product, and this is called the Foolproof Brow Powder. I've seen quite a few different people use this and some good reviews on it, so I wanted to give this a stab myself. I've gone for the shade number 1, and this is what it looks like. It comes in a very cute little bit of packaging. Benefit's packaging is lovely, isn't it? It almost looks like it's a little sort of caddy. And the idea is you get a lighter and a darker shade, and then you get this little blending gadget, which has sort of got a bit of a sponge thing on the end to sort of blend the product. Oh, and then the other end, it's got a little tiny spoolie. I didn't know that was in there. That's cute. Right, so let's just get rid of these bits of fringe and brush the brows out. As you can see, mine are pretty sparse, a bit patchy. I don't have much hair in certain areas. So let's see if this product alone is enough to do my brows. I've got a feeling it might not be because it's just a powder. So it says for the lighter shade to sweep lighter shade from start of each brow to the arch, and then sweep the darker or deeper shade from the arch to the tail of the brow. And it's got a nice little mirror in there as well once you peel that bit off. So okay, let's start with the lighter end, which is a sort of a blondie sort of shade. I'm going to use this. So yeah, it's not only, I've just got a little mirror here. It's not only the blender, it's actually the applicator. So let's give this a go. Oh, that's really, really smooth. So this product comes in at £21.50. That's very subtle. I know it says not, you're only supposed to do it the first part of the brow, but I always like to just blend it in a bit. Keep going. Oh yeah, I like that. As you can see there now, it's starting to build at this end of the brow. Starting to give me a bit of a shape. Okay. Yeah, like that. Let's do the other one. So what I'm going to do with the tip, I'm actually going to sort of try and draw in a bit of a shape, just so it's got a little bit more substance. Just going to draw sort of a more defined end where the brow starts, just to give it a little bit more definition. Right, okay, and now I'm going to go for a bit of the darker. Just do that very lightly. Quite a buildable product. It doesn't go on too heavy, which is good. It's not too pigmented to start with, because sometimes some of the other products I've been trying, you just do one sweep and that's it, your whole brow is dark. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give that a little bit of a blend. Not got much shape this side. Let's try to pencil in a bit more there. Yeah, what do I think of that? I like it. It's expensive. And as we go along, I'll try some other products and see if I find anything else which is as good for a lesser price tag. But yeah, I like that. It's very nice. Very nice, soft, easy product to put on. So I'm just going to finish my brows now with this as well. This is another Benefit product. This is the 24-hour brow setter. I bought this not long ago and I really like it. It's a special brow, proper brow, well, it's like a clear mascara, but the brush on it is excellent. It's got two flat, this bit's like flat, and then it's got these spikes the other side, so you can sort of have a play about. So I tend to use the flat side to put a bit of product onto the brow, and then I brush it through with the other side. See, just sets it in place. Flat side to put product on, spiky side to brush it through. Not sure if that's the proper way of doing it, but works for me. Yep, so there we go. Very subtle. I don't want anything too heavy because I'm so fair. I don't like the big heavy brows. So yeah, Benefit. Really like that product, so I'll give that a thumbs up. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed that. I will do some more of these in the future because I've got quite a lot of eyebrow products now in my collection. And there is another one already on my channel where I compared a Primark and an Yves Saint Laurent product. So keep your eye out for that if that's something you're interested in. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.